Baka naman ipagyabang mo na wala man may tabangin ni Auntie Evelyn. Baka wala gud may atak, wala gud may pamilya, dili man may kuino. Butang ina. I did remember escorting you to FEU and University of the Philippines here in Metro Manila, and you failed us so much. What a disappointment. Sayang. Kasi at the very least, kahit papano, kung may napag-aralan ka, you can pursue it. Sayang yung ginasto ni Gida for you. And FEU ba? University of the Philippines. And yung katabi ng